In this video, I will show you how to add TSA Precheck on Delta Airlines. So in order to do this, what we can do is we first need to head over and then log in into the Delta Airlines website. Now from in there, just book your flight, enter in here your destination. So for example, let's put in here Cuba, and then just choose in here the airport, and then it can be a round trip, and then just choose in here your depart, as well as your return. Now click on done and enter here the number of passenger and click on search. Now once you have done that, you just need to head over and facilitate this booking. Head over and then make sure to give your known traveler number in a designated field. This is usually found under the secure flight info. So head over and search for these flights available to these dates. Click on search option and then head over and then complete your booking and finish your booking process, ensuring that your KTN is included into your reservation from in here.